Santa Cruz BeachTrain.
You guys have so much energy, though.
Yeah, we're at the Santa Cruz BeachTrain 2018. Yay. Hi. Hello.
Train tickets here, right?
The boardwalk was packed. Yeah, it was.
That's a lie. We parked across the street.
Oh yeah, we did. So like a million always try to park at the front or else you park. Yeah, and you have to line up at the front of the train. Then the person with the tickets has to go to the conductor at the first part. Like what? Yeah. But so, as you can see, we are very confused at the moment. And yeah, because we don't really know what to do because it's
Get in line. Because, wait, get in line. Sorry.
yeah, our dad was asking for direction. So we just went along ahead and went to the other place, and Scott gave the conductor our. Yeah, and we all went to the back. Me, Jeremiah, we all went to the back. That's the best seating in the train because you get to see a lot of. That's one of the best seating. You're gonna have to sit on the outside. Don't sit inside.
There you go.
The outside, and you're gonna sit on the right. Yeah. And so,
I'm leaving you here.
as you see, our dad still has the camera. He's supposed to have the camera the whole time. We don't
This
have it on
is
the train.
the train that we are up on. It is actually an electric motor
Try to get a
that
uncovered
propels
one.
it. The engine is
Wagon,
actually
if we can.
powering a generator that powers
They might be all uncovered.
the electric motors. So some pretty cool knowledge to learn on it too.
Watch out, guys.
There's a conductor that gives
There's a car coming.
things that happen that can pay that well. And as you can see, there's a car in front of us.
We gotta move to the cart. Let the cart just
GG.
go guide do his business.
And when we got on the train, we saw one of those, and it was full of a bag of stuffed unicorn.
When you get up into the train, have your ticket stub that you paid for online with you. The conductor will take it from you and exchange it for tickets. I think you just need the last name, but in here they got a lot of history about the train, pictures, and some basic descriptions on it. But gain some knowledge walking through. Nice little trip through the past. While you're getting the tickets, the rest of the family figures out where they're sitting. If you're facing how I am right now, the conductor said on the way to Felton, the best seat is on the left side. So facing how I am on the left.
Scott.
That's him.
Okay. 3 children, 2 adults.
That's right.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you very
Now
much.
we got the tickets. Go find the family. Hopefully found a good spot. You could sit inside right here if you were more of a sit inside type person. Pretty nice in this old rustic area.
Said going
Like I
through the
said, the
canyon,
best
that
seat is
side's
on the
on the
left.
seat. Yeah.
And there's a guy who he sits inside, but then he always comes outside with
I know,
the
we
camera
need to put on screen on, but he said going through the canyon, this side for
he always
sure is going to
has
get
it. He,
better view.
like, cause he sits inside, but then he comes outside and he starts
I've videotaped
go
everything.
back inside until he stops, which is really weird. Yeah, speed. And plus, a guy was holding the baby, and it wasn't his baby, and he dropped the baby on the floor.
Sanctuary exploration zone, a fun place.
But don't say that. Okay, but as you can see, we're leaving to go to Roaring Camp on this train, and there is a bunch of people, and there is the Monterey. Wait, so like pretty much everybody. The Monterey Aquarium. Yeah, it is the exhibit. Yeah, the Monterey Bay exhibit. Exhibit.
It's free to get in.
Yeah, it's free admission, and that's all paid for by the Monterey Bay rewards. They have that at the Monterey Bay Aquarium, and that's all the money that they give them. They use it to pay for. And as you can see, there's a skate park, but people are using the bikes over there.
Wow, they get
I do that too. And the conductor talks about how he wants there to be like bicycle games there and snowboarding games, but in winter time. Like freeze up the place. Yeah. It's pretty cool. He talks about that. Yeah, and there's a lot of trees there, and there's a building, and then a park. There's a park over there, but you guys can see. Yeah, because that's on the other side.
They're kind of boring, aren't they?
Yeah. And
not
like the train, the speeds are very low. I thought it would go faster, like a million miles per hour. No, like
But we need to have
somewhat
a few events that
11
involve
miles per
ramps
hour.
and bicycles and things like that.
No, they wanted to keep it simple, low, under 10.
They do some awesome.
But it doesn't really matter. And I don't know if you can see, but at the top, it looks like there's supposed to be something at the top of it, so the sun doesn't get in. So for the sun not to get in, but we didn't get that. Yeah, we did an area with that, but we didn't want it. Yeah, and the conductor just walks past us into the area where it's closed in, and I'm standing up. And I'm the one who started the train. I just said the magic word to start the train. Yeah. Highball. And then, and I felt like, because the train tracks were almost to the edge of the cliff. Well, it wasn't. I felt like it was gonna tip over. Yeah, and there's a lot of, and we're passing by a lot of houses. Oh, and they look really nice. Yeah, and we kept saying hi to everybody. Yeah, and we saw a guy on his bike, and he looked like a hippie person. He said hi to him. Yeah. And see, we're saying hi to more people. That's me. I was too.
Are we still at Santa Cruz?
I was too.
Yep. But look, there's a bike rider over there waving too.
You're just sitting there doing your
Guy on
own
the
thing.
motorcycle waving. Oh, it's 7-Eleven. Look, he's waving too.
And it makes some really weird, crazy noises. I don't like that part. Sometimes they would just stop in the middle of the railroad. Yeah, so look, he's
He's so small behind you.
Yeah.
Huh?
He is so small behind you.
No. What was it?
Inside the train.
Oh no, here comes the tunnel. It's really scary and dark.
This is our
It's really scary. But then there was this one part where you couldn't see anything. It was just pure blackness. I was relieved when we got started because I was really scared. And then this is how we found the trip, because we were looking at for my mission in school, and that was under the Santa Cruz mission.
Yep.
And it was built up by rocks.
Is that the only underground thing?
It was built by Chinese people in the 1700s. It was built by Chinese people in the 1700s, I guess. Says Cali. Yeah. And that guy, he had a lot of good questions for the conductor. And then they're talking and blah 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 and blah blah. Callie, remember the time when we all felt like we were gonna fall out when it went to the steep end? Yeah. That was scary. Gigi, you said Gary. I said scary. Oh. But
What do people in the cars?
so, and then we say hi to all the people that pass us. And I was actually surprised when they waved back at me because I thought they would be focused on driving, but they would stop.
No, decimal now.
Yeah, they might be focused on. They were stopped because of us.
Oh, that's cool.
Whatever. So here is a garbage facility. It smells stinky. Ew. What's up, Jeremiah? Where's my face? That's. He said hi. And yeah. What's up, Gigi? So
See, they're crossing.
right here, there's Gigi hanging on the bars. And then there's a bunch of there's people hopping the fence all over. Yeah. And the conductor told us to sit a certain way because they didn't want us to see homeless alley. Then we did it anyways. So we're just looking at a bunch of nature stuff. I almost got to touch one. I did get to touch one, I think. Well, whatever. Well, now the conductor is coming and getting our tickets. Gigi ripped fully, and she wasn't supposed to.
Thank you.
Yeah. My dad's got his ripped and he just folded it. I don't know why. I don't think we're supposed to fold our tickets. Because he can't. He's the house manager. Dun 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 dun. 1, 2, 3. Dun, dun, dun. Oh. Okay, here's our road, and we saw a bunch of cars, and we said hi to them. And then on this one, we saw a bunch of bikers and hippies and all that. Dark, dirty, and hippies. Yeah. I call them. And homeless peeps. They're not our peeps, Gigi. We don't know who they are. That's why they're a person. That's why they call it homeless alley. Yeah, but anyways, there was a bunch of nature and Jeremiah and stuff. Of course. Yeah, don't you know? The boss hike. No, don't do that. Please don't. No. Okay. But right now we're just passing by a bunch of things and we're just hanging off the train, their heads.
Looks like we're going fast as lightning too.
Well, that's because they speed.
Oh, we're not going super fast?
Yes, we're going. We're
It's like 100 miles an hour on a cliff. Remember all the people we saw down there too?
Yeah. And
A
then
bunch
we
of
saw,
people swimming in the water.
yeah, we saw a creek that we really wanted to go in, but then we had to keep on. See, a bike person just passed.
Oh yeah, there was a bunch of bike riders too.
Yeah, but I called them a hippie. But they were riding at the edge, and I felt.
He's happy. He's trying to be safe. But the
I
best way
hope
to
he
be
would
safe
come here and get the full experience because I wouldn't get the experience just watching a video. I would get the experience by actually just saying that I won't get the full experience by just watching a video. I will go out here and do it.
Oh,
So I'm telling them to go
so
out
you
here
hope
and do
that they
it.
come.
Yeah.
It's fun, and you hope they come.
Yes, I hope they
The
come.
highball
Okay.
signal worked pretty well in the early days. You only had a dozen trains pass by your station every day.
Trees.
It wasn't long for the end of the 1800s you might have 100 or more trains rolling by. Stage got real
Oh,
quiet.
there's the end of the cliff and the creek.
And then we're on a
River. Look at those ants. Oh, people, I mean. Holy cow, we're on a bridge. If you stick your head out too far, maybe it'll knock your block off.
and right there, we are on a pretty cramped bridge. Yeah? Yes.
Well, the train on it is pretty cramped.
Yeah, exactly.
Uh-oh, speeding up again.
Set out the gate.
Okay, now we're still done.
And one of those buildings was sure to have a place where you could get a good night's sleep before you started the next day. A few of them had red lights.
Maya is like trying to touch the beach.
High five and plants.
Yeah, that's my thing.
Obviously, look at it.
Remember that one time when I did
Some of them had red lights.
Oh my god, look at another train?
I don't think it's moving.
Oh, an air conditioner in that train. Holy cow.
Those aren't trains.
Yeah, they're living in there.
Trains.
That's a
Oh my
caboose.
god, yeah, they're having a party.
Oh,
Looks like.
Are we pulling up to Felton?
Bear Valley. No, that's not Bear Valley.
This is a different trip. Bear Valley, that's up in the mountains.
Yeah.
The other mountains.
General storage.
Okay,
area
Mount. Wait, is this a different city?
Pick up a souvenir.
Yeah, it's in Felton.
It is?
Yeah, we took the train to Felton.
That's cool.
Will be departing here at 2:15.
We finally made it to Felton. We're gonna get off this train and explore this little town. Super fun.
There was also a souvenir shop. I got a coin. And I saw a good rabbit's foot. There was a blacksmith worker who melts metal, and there was a bunch of hands-on activities. And there was a lot of good food there, including pizza, tortillas, and ices. My favorite part of it was there was a person who was pressing the designs on the bags for the little shop, so I thought that was pretty cool.
So it was like an old printing press?
Yes.
That's super cool. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies or Scotty's Adventures.
And see you on the next one.